Assalamualaikum to the audience and our respect panel. What a lovely day today. Allow me to introduce you with a little introduction about me. I am Mr. AFZHANI as a moderator today. Before I introduce you with the title today discussion, allow me to introduce our respect panel today. Here we have Prof. Madya of Civil Engineering, Mr. FARIDUDDIN, as a panel 1, first panel. Then researcher of technology, Mr. SHAMSUL, our second panel, and IR, Mr. Naqib, as our third panel, and the development officer, Mr. NABIL, as our fourth panel. Today's our earth are fulfilled by technology. Is it right, Mr. FARIDUDDIN?
Yes, Mr. HANAFIAH.
For today's session, we have decided to choose the impact of technologies on jobs. So, to begin of our first session of this forum, I will ask our first panel. In your opinion, Mr. FARIDUDDIN, what is the advantage of the technology on job? And tell us more detail about it.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator. So, ladies and gentlemen, the question is, what is the advantage of technology on jobs? First thing first, in business, workers can leverage technology to generate innovative ideas for future growth and expansion, right? So, many companies foster innovation by presenting technological challenge to employees, rewarding those who devise creative solutions. On this day, we have developed types of machinery that can do tasks that were difficult for human or beyond human scope. This is the good news to workers, especially for those who often use machine in their work. As we can imagine, ladies and gentlemen, we can't carry a ton of load, so that people can use technology to settle this problem easier and more faster. So it is proven that technology is essential to reduce the burden and even provide the convenience in every job that is beyond human capabilities. That's all from me.
Thank you, Mr. FARIDUDDIN, for interesting input. From your explanation, you strongly agree that the technology on job is good for the human nowadays. Let's move to Mr. Naqib. What is your opinion?
Mr. Moderator, I do agree with Mr. Farid at a certain point, but I have to say that technology makes person lazy. Technology task automation, while beneficial, poses risk for employees. Over-reliance may lead to reduced motivation and creativity, fostering laziness. Some may simplify tasks with technology, limiting cognitive engagement. Balancing the benefit with mindful usage is crucial to uphold work quality and efficiency.
Thank you, Mr. Naqib. That was a great point to be said. What you can say, Mr. SHAMSUL, with topic today, is it good for you?
Thank you, Mr. Moderator. Technology really has a great impact on our life, such as human-centered and intelligently replaced. From Industry 4.0, we emphasize human importance, forecasting, high autonomy and skills, transforming workers into strategic decision makers and problem solvers. There are also job design implications depending on local conditions and organizational choices. Industry 4.0 impacts on job design varies with a need for careful consideration of functionalities provided by the technologies. All of these are proof that technology is beneficial to us. So I think that technology is very good for us in many ways. Thank you.
Benefit that we can gain when using technology. But as we know, every good thing must have a bad thing. Isn't it, gentlemen?
Yes.
Okay, the same thing goes for human-centered or intelligently replaced. What do you think about the negative impact on human-centered or intelligently replaced for human, Mr. NABIL?
Thank you, Mr. Moderator and other panelist members. So, in my opinion, the negative impact of the use of technology in today's job is very clear. The first thing that is very clear is that high maintenance costs make it difficult to maintain technological infrastructure in rural areas to develop the country in a better direction in this era. In addition, the further delays the development and availability of facilities plan for the use of the people and immediate needs.
Okay, you have a good point, Mr. Nabil. Let us ask about no more difficult tasks that a human cannot do when we have technology nowadays. Mr. Farid, can you explain to me about this?
Yes. We as a human need labor to do work from light to heavy one, and with the help of machine, there are no difficulty in doing the tasks. Today, we have developed types of machinery that can do tasks that were difficult for human, also beyond the human scope. That's all the point for me. Thank you. I leave ceremony to the Mr. Moderator.
Thank you for the informative and interesting talk, Mr. Farid. I would like to welcome Mr. Naqib to deliver their opinion, please.
If technology is still growing, it will take human duty. For instance, jobs traditionally performed by human will be taken over by machine, resulting in workforce displacement. To add on, technology also will affect on career option. It will become more smaller. As a result, it will limit job option.
That's good opinion, Mr. Naqib. And what about you, Mr. Shamsul? Why you prefer to use technology when to complete the task or work?
For the question, in my opinion, I would prefer to use technology to complete all the work because I can do my work faster. In my state, technology in the workplace accelerates process by enabling efficient work through computer and updated software. The use of computers also allow for the convenient storage of vast amount of data in database, eliminating the need for hard copies in 5 minutes. Retrieving files is simplified, requiring just a few clicks to access and open the document, and everything can be acquired on the tip of our finger. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shamsul. So there are many benefits that we can gain when using technology. But as we know, every good thing must be a bad thing on it. So what is your opinion, Mr. Nabil?
Thanks again, Mr. Moderator. It's HANAFIAH AFZHANI. So, ladies and gentlemen, apart from that, the bad thing is the replacement of jobs due to automation. This is because the forecast have shifted to service sectors that are resistant to automation, such as healthcare, hospitality, and education, which are important in creating opportunities in jobs.
Now, we all know that the technology provides us a lot of benefit, but it depends on how we use it. With this, our forum has come to an end. Hopefully, all the input delivered can provide a positive impact to everyone involved, directly or indirectly. And lastly, let us close our program with thanks to all our panel, and thank you.